need is some water, some salt, any brand works, and some all-purpose flour. Oh, and I'm not advertising any of these companies. Step 1, get your flour and get 2 cups. First one, and second one. Great, then add half cup of salt. I prefer kids do this because it's fun. Half cup. That's enough. Close your box and put it in. A lot of salt, right? Then get your mixer and start mixing. Mix, 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 mix. I love mixing. Then put 1 cup of water, but not so fast. Put it slowly, like a bit, and then mix. But this time I want to use my hand. Start making the dough with your hands. I know it might be messy, but it is a lot of fun. Let's take the dough off. You can take the dough off later. If it's really sticky, add some more water. If it's too watery, add some more flour. Not more salt. Keep kneading the dough. Isn't this awesome? Look, it looks so good. Like crunchy slime. Don't forget to watch our slime videos. Watch. Look how pretty it looks. I prefer put a teeny bit of flour and just spread it around and then do it. Get your dough. Get your piece of dough and roll it into a circle. I like to roll it on the dough, and sometimes like this. Then flatten it out, so much, and then start rolling. If you need more flour, put it. I'm just gonna put it in the middle. Make sure it can't be too thin. Look at the consistency of it. It's not sticky. Look how many cookie cutters I have. 100 plus 1. 101. How cool is that? Get your cookie cutter, I have a heart, and place it on and squish it like that. Now circle. Now smaller heart. What shape? I'll try this one. Right over here. Perfect. F. Perfect. Take out the stencils. Take out the extra pieces of dough. Just like you're making a cookie. You can reuse this dough for anything. Take out your shapes are ready. Then put them on a baking tray. You can do as many shapes as you like. Be careful, you don't want the shape getting messed up. Circle, heart. the letter F, another heart, a 1, and you can do as many shapes as you like. Remember to put a hole with a straw in your toys before putting them in the oven.
Pop your shapes in the oven for 2 hours at 250 degrees Fahrenheit.
Once your toys are cooked, get your painting supplies ready. Select one decor to paint. I'm doing the duck. Remember to cover your surface. After the first coat of paint dries, then you can do as many coats as you want, but make sure it shouldn't become too wet. Once you're done painting the first toy, remember to wash your brush, just like I am, and then pick another color. You don't want your brush being dirty.
You can even make your shapes multicolored by waiting for the first color to dry and then putting a different color on top of it.
Subscribe to our channel.